Hello, beautiful viewers. This is the K-Popper Unboxer coming to you with another unboxing. Today I have an order from K-Town for you. It is the SM Season's Greetings merch. So what I did was I bought one of the ID photo keychain things per bias. So for all my SM groups, there were 6 of them. I bought each of the key rings for my bias. So it came in this little box because it wasn't very big. And I, of course, got it directly from K-Town for you. It didn't go to my K-Addy because for some reason they don't do that. So the shipping was not too much, but could have been cheaper. So here we go. Hopefully all 6 of them are in here. I also ordered the extra set of photo cards and Polaroids and cards and all kinds of stuff for Key as well, but that I ordered from a different place. Okay. So these are cute. Get rid of this here. So we have one from Shinee, one from WayV, one from Red Velvet, one from TVXQ, one from NCT Dream, and then one from aespa. Okay, so let's unbox each one and see what they look like. They're really cute. So this is the box. Oh, it's Mark! It's not taped, so... So here is the key ring. What do they call this exactly? ID photo keyring set. Okay, makes sense. That's the key ring. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang all of them up right behind where this camera is. I have my K-Popper Unboxer carpet that my good friend made me. I'm going to hang them up around that. And then here is the little Mark ID photos. You get 2. They come in this little case. Let's see, I think I have little Mando Deco things. I don't know if they're the right size. Oh, they look to be. Let's see if this will work. So there's 2 of them. I guess you could do something with your other one if you wanted to. Oh good, they're the right size. So I have these little Mando Deco. And you just slip it. Oh, it's probably not going to fit with this on it. Nope. Well, so we'll do one in that, and then one that goes in here. There he is. Super cute. So we'll do that for all of the extra ones. Okay. Okay, my bias for aespa is Ning Ning. So we will unbox Ning Ning. Here is her key ring. And then her 2 ID photos. If I can get them out. There is Ning Ning, and let's put her in here. Okay, there's Ning Ning and hers. And then we'll give her her other one a little protector. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with these other ones yet, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. Okay, keeping with the ladies, let's do Red Velvet next. Put this one away. So here's the box. Of course, Yeti is my bias. So here's the Red Velvet. Here are the Yeti photos. So we'll put one in here. Okay, there she is. Super cute. Okay, and then we'll sleeve her other one. Put it over here. I guess you could put it on the back too, but the back really doesn't look as cute as the front, so I will save them and do something else with them, probably in my season's greetings binder. Okay, so that was Yeti and Red Velvet. Next we can do WayV. This is the box. And there's Handsome Hendry. And here's WayV's. And Hendry. Very handsome. Here we go. Oops, he slid down a little too much. There we go. There's Hendry. Okay, let's sleeve that little photo. Okay, and then next we'll do, well, we have to put WayV away here. Next we'll do TVXQ. Of course we have Max Changman. So handsome and cute. So there's their keychain. Okay, and then as I'm going through all of these, I will put up the links to the up here to the appropriate Season's greetings. There's handsome Max. Looking super cute as always. Okay, we'll get Max in here. I also did an unboxing of TVXQ's 20 and 20, all of the versions, including the special edition. So if you haven't seen that, please check that out. It's on my YouTube page. Really great album. And then my alt bias from SM, not my alt bias from everything, but my alt bias from SM is Key Bum. And I did order his extra thing set. I think I said that already. Extra photo set. But that probably won't be coming for a while. So I ordered it on eBay, so it could take a minute. Because K10 for You was sold out, so. There's his mini IDs. He's so cute. Okay. So there's Mr. Key. And then we will sleeve this extra one. It's really nice that they give you extra ones. If I can open it, but okay. So those are all the key ID key rings I got. Just to showcase my SM biases. So there we go. And then, oops. Ning Ning is in a shadow. Or in a shadow. In a glare. So these are my 6 biases from each group. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a clip in right at the end of this video of how I use them in my decoration. So that should be happening right now. Okay, there's what it looks like with the 6 of them. Okay, next up for our Season's Greetings merch, we have Shinee's Keys photo pack, and then 2 of the trading card packs, which have 2 cards each, and they are random. So this is pack A, pack B, and then this is, like I said, Keys photo pack, and it comes with a bunch of different stuff. So let's look at the photo cards first to see what we got. So this is pack A. There's the little thing. And then you get 2 cards. The first one is Minnow. I believe this looks like a selfie, I'm pretty sure. And then the second one is Minho as well. So, yeah, because this is concept, so this is the selfie. It's super cute. Okay, let's open the second pack. This is pack B. I only got 1 of each. I don't think I'm going to collect key. I'm just going to, whatever I get is what I get. So here are the 2 cards for that. And the first one we got is Key. And then the second one is Minho. So we got both of his Selfie, I Can Speak, and one of his concepts, and then we got one of Key's concepts. So I'm making a Season's Greetings binder for Shinee. So these will go in that, and then this will go in my key binder that I have. So there's where our pools for the trading card set, or packs. Now we'll go on to the photo set, which I got Key. Here's the back. It's like an envelope, but it's hard plastic. So you open that. And I believe all of this. No, sometimes it's in a thing and sometimes it's not. Oh, it is in a thing. It just came out. So it's in this. Okay, and here we get 2 postcards with each concept. It looks so cute in that one. And then we get 2 Polaroids. Oops. Okay, and then you get 2 photo cards. Key looking gorgeous as ever. A selfie and I'm assuming that's a concept one, and that's the selfie one. Okay, and then here's the other cards I got. Oh, probably help if you could see them. Okay, so that does it for the Shinee additional Season's Greetings merch. Okay, make sure you take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!